So we send out a problem every day, and a lot of people answer it, and we get a lot of different answers sometimes. So I need you to officially solve the problem. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at it together. So it says problem of the day, and it says find the perimeter. Now, do you know what perimeter even means?
Perimeter means like the border of a shape.
Right, the border of the shape, right? The distance around it, okay? So we're going to find the distance around it, the border. So what numbers do you think we need to pay attention to up there?
20 and 12.
Right, 20 and 12. And do you know what that FT means?
Feet.
Feet. So we have 20 feet and 12 feet. And what is that shape up there?
It's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. How do you know it's a rectangle?
Because one pair of sides are smaller than the other, like shorter than the other.
Okay, that's a good way of summarizing it. And another important thing would be that they have 90-degree angles.
Yeah.
Right? You know what different angles are, right? All right. So how do you want to go about solving this problem? Because we know we have to pay attention to the 20 and 12. We have a rectangle. We need to find the perimeter. So what do you want to do first?
So first I would add 20 plus 12.
Okay, and that's 32, correct?
Yes.
All right.
Then I multiply that by 2.
Why 2? I don't even see a 2 up there.
Because we have two sides on the rectangle. So we have two 12s and two 20s.
But I only see one 12 and one 20.
If you just take the other side of each number. So you see on the line under above 20,
right.
You see another line the same length as that above the line.
So the line on top is the same length as the line on the bottom.
Yeah.
So even though it doesn't say 20, we can infer that it's 20. All right, so I'm with you so far. And the same thing with the left and right sides?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to take 20 and 12 and add them up, and you get 32, and you're going to times it by 2 because you're saying there's 2 of the same measurements, but we just don't see them written down. Yeah. Okay, and what would you get?
64.
64. Now I see 2 64s up there, so we're going to stop for a minute. Instead of taking 32 and timesing it by 2, is there another way to solve that problem instead of multiplying?
Yes, you
How?
just add 32 plus 32.
Okay, we could do 32 plus 32, and that's another good way of doing it. But is there another way to do it instead of adding 32 and 32?
You could add 20 plus 20 and then 12 plus 12 and add those two.
That's what I was looking for right there, brother. You got me now, right? All right. Do you think we're going to get the same answer every single time?
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah? Are we or aren't we?
Oh, we are.
We are, okay, that's what I want, a little confidence right there. Now, you said that the answer was 64, but I see 2 64s up there. What's the difference between them?
64, 2 is you multiply 32 times 2, and then 64 is adding. Probably.
Okay, so what do you mean 64, 2? The one with the little tiny exponent up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what that's called? It's called an exponent, right?
Yeah.
But that would be called 64 feet
times 64 feet.
Squared.
Oh, yes.
Right? When you see a 2 up there, it means you're squaring something, right?
Yeah.
So it'd be 64 feet squared. Now, a lot of people on social media said that the answer was A, 240 feet squared. Why do you think they would say that?
Because they did 20 times 12.
Right,
so
they did.
Equals 240.
Right, they did 20 times 12. And if they did that, what were they finding instead of the perimeter?
The area.
The area, right? You are all sorts of on top of this problem today, dude. All right, so we have 64 and 64 feet squared, but you don't like the 64 feet squared. You like the 64 feet instead?
Yeah.
So your answer is going to be C?
Yes.
Now, are you saying that because I think yesterday's answer was C? Did you watch yesterday's show?
No.
All right, well, all right. I was going to say, we're just going to roll with C for the answers. But anyway, you think it's C?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look and see if indeed you are correct. There you go, brother. First problem all done. See how easy that was?
Yeah.
Nicely done.